All right, everyone, long time no see. I haven't done a process video since August. So here we go. I got moved to first grade, so it's been like starting all over because I did preschool for first grade, so it's like starting all over. So I basically spend my weekends working on school and that things are starting to slow down and I can get back into my scrapbooking and videos, because I certainly have missed doing it. It's been a very stressful year, and we're not half over. Anyway, so I did this layout using, back July hip kit, and this is the third page that I did, and I am doing some mixed media using some white gesso. And I'm using the background is Mickey Holmes' Chasing Dreams, called Be Happy. And I am going to use, I'm left to go get water in my container, and so I can use some watercolors. Sorry, this is November 10th, and Friday night, and I'm my fiance and them went to Orlando or Kissimmee, Florida, and he went to spend time with his aunt and cousins, and he went to a music festival, and I am home alone. So, hey, I decided to do these 3 layouts that I did about 2 weeks ago. So I'm just using my watercolor and the packaging technique. And this is the area to the left is where my photo and 2 embellishment clusters are going to go. And then to the right of the page is where an embellishment cluster, where an embellishment cluster is going to go. I apologize, I'm tired. Been a long week. And my work don't stop on the weekends. I do have to do my lesson planning. Do all my lesson planning on Saturdays. I try to do it throughout the week and it just doesn't seem, life gets in the way. So I don't seem to have enough time. I'm either given something else I got to do that's more important than getting my lesson plans done, or grading papers or whatever. So kind of hard to even do my planning during the week, but I try. So anyway. What, Reese? I'm just looking forward to Thanksgiving break. I'm going to get ahead on my plans, so that way then I can start enjoying life again. So we went to the Villages. It's an area where there's a lot of more elderly people live there, more 55 plus. A lot live there. That's where a lot of the retirees go. And there is like this little Spanish villa, and it's a nice little area where you can walk around, and there's restaurants or shops, and there's some ponds, and there are these ducks that we stopped to take photos of. And so I'm using those Project Life cards from the add-on kit. Because I have a lot of, I usually subscribe to the main kit, the embellishment add-on, and the Project Life kit. Being that I got moved to first grade, I have to purchase. I have been having to use my extra monies because of course teachers aren't given really anything to spend on their classrooms, so I'm having to spend all of my own money. And so, needless to say, I haven't had the extra money to purchase the extra kits the last few months, so I've just gotten the main kit. So, kind of depressing, but hopefully things will turn around soon, or at least next year. It's already purchased, it's already done, so I already have the resources in which to teach the reading, social studies, science, and math, so I won't have to do that next year, so I can go back to life as it used to be. But anyway, so I am using some die cuts that are Amy Tangerine, and that frame there is a Polaroid frame, which is a Project Life frame set. I have a red and yellow tag and the word smile, which and circle stickers are Freckle Fawn. So I've been trying to use my hip kit embellishments along with some Freckle Fawn, so I kind of am mixing it in there. If it kind of goes, I kind of throw it in there. And then I do use a heart and a plus sign, which is also, the hearts and plus signs are Freckle Fawn as well. Here, fix your ear, Coco. So just laying down my embellishments, getting those all glued down. And then my title is Dear Lizzie Thickers, Bonjour. Coco, sorry, she's hearing a noise from the cat. All right, Patton, stop making noises. Shush. Sorry, guys. Coco, shh. Shh. Okay, so I am putting down my title now, and then that will pretty much complete this layout. So when I have more done, I will be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.